Just let me go. Please let me go. You like to love so hard.
Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙧. In this channel we do lifestyle and everything in between. Anything interesting happening in my life, I will bring you guys with me. So today I'm starting a new video. It's on Saturday afternoon and I'm going to Eastleigh. I don't know if I will manage to purchase things because naishi mbali, ni kama naishi not Kiambu, even Murang'a County, and I'm going to Nairobi. So I don't know what I will manage to purchase, but I wanted to take you with me, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. So this is part of the purchase that I was going to make in Eastleigh. The other video will come up much later. So nilienda kununua mandera, nikaenda hizi station yenye nakuanga na hizi materials za mandera. I used to come here some time back with my friend and I can assure you, I think nilikuwa nanunua hiyo material ya dera moja 250. But on this day, I don't know, nilinunua 300 kushonewa na shonewa na so it's a total of 400 per dera, and I bought like 4 of them. You guys, how much do dera cost in Eastleigh? I am not very certain, but I feel like it was supposed to be cheaper than 400 per dera because my friend used to purchase for sale. Then the next stop, nikapitia place, nikaona phone covers and I got one. Long time my kitchen didn't have anything, ilikuwanga too open, so I needed to get a strong sheer or a light curtain, but sikuwa nataka ile curtain ya matunda, so nilipitia the places where curtains are sold and I got a 2 meter for the kitchen, but I didn't buy a curtain. I just bought a thick white sheer because most of the things, I love white, I love gray, so my theme for the house is a lot of white. So the sheer was going for 350, alafu kukalkuletiwa sijui kushonwa, kukatanishwa and kuwekewa hizo rings. It came a total of 16 or 1700. This is how it looks. It's quite big and I love the gathers, ni kubwa sana. This is how it looks in the kitchen area where I put it. Guys, what do you think? Does it look okay? Ama what would you go for a kitchen? By the time I was getting out of Eastleigh, it was a little late. Nikapitia huku nje, nikaona wase wa bra. Nilikuwa nimenunua mabra huku ndani, but nilikuwa nimegongwa. Huku nje hizi mabra nilinunua 500 ndani kwa Oria. Watu wa normal walikuwa nauza 353, so I felt so conned. And this happens a lot when I go to Eastleigh. So I got home a little bit later and I was tired, but the kitchen was so dirty. So I had to gather myself and do the cleaning because there is no one else who would do it for me. And this is me doing the cleaning. I cleaned and washed everything so that I wouldn't prepare dinner, but I ended up going to the supermarket to buy something ready. I go to the supermarket a lot because the place I live, there is no restaurant that I really love. So I prefer going to the supermarket because it's easier. And yeah, I don't know, what guys do you think? Do you prefer chakula ya supermarket? Okay, when you can't cook, of course I do 98% or 97-95% cooking in the house, but yeah. I don't know if I'm the one who used a lot of it during cooking, but hizi pots are grayish. They have some sort of problems, like when you, in case moto ijiongeze, if you're cooking, they have some plastic scent, alafu zinaungua. Okay, not kuungua, they turn So guys, nimemaliza kuosha. As you can see, everything is drying up. Lakini it's a little bit late. Around 7. Na nimeamua I am not going to do the cooking. So I just want to toka very to shower and then upesi and go to the supermarket and buy dinner because now I'm not cooking today.